fake birth certificates. Apparently, some 1,200 foreigners, mostly Chinese nationals, were able to register late for birth certificates in one town in Davao del Sur. Mary Monreyes with that story.
Senators have expressed alarm over reports of fake birth certificates being produced by way of late registration. The National Bureau of Investigation said it received information that around 1,200 foreigners, mostly Chinese nationals, were able to register late for birth certificates in Santa Cruz, Davao del Sur since 2016. The NBI earlier flagged over 100 cases of questionable late birth registrations from the town civil registry from 2018 to 2019. The civil registrar of Santa Cruz has now been suspended pending investigations.
Ang fake na tinutukoy natin dito ay yung mga entries.
Yun,
no?
opo.
Mga entries. So, ibig sabihin, merong naganap na mali doon sa pagre-rehistro. So, ito yung mga kaso na sinasabi natin na during the time of registration, there are falsified documents that were submitted or there are fraudulent information that were entered by the local civil registrar.
Santa Cruz Mayor Jose Sala has said in a statement that they do not tolerate this kind of illegal transaction. He said they've already conducted their own investigation on the matter. Sala adds that they welcome the NBI's probe and will cooperate with all concerned agencies. The Philippine Statistics Authority, for its part, recently rolled out stricter policies for late birth registration. In a memorandum issued last month, applicants 18 years old and above should appear personally before the civil registrar. The applicant should be registered with the Philippine Identification System and must bring unedited front-facing photos of themselves. And for registrants who have parents that are foreign nationals, they should be able to provide the marriage certificate of the parents, their birth certificates, and valid passports or immigration clearance records. Aside from these requirements, the PSA is also ramping up branch inspections.
Bukod dito, dahil dito sa issuance na to, binibigyan din natin ng visitorial powers yung mga field offices ng PSA para from time to time ang mga local civil registrars ay binibisita ng ating mga field offices at tinitingnan yung regularidad ng kanilang mga pagkuha ng supporting documents, especially dito sa delayed registration.
Senators are now calling for a deeper investigation into the issue, saying the case of suspended Bamban Mayor Alice Goa's late registration may be quote-unquote just the tip of the iceberg. Mobile journalist Mary Monreyes, We Are One News.